Hello friends, subscribe my channel for latest update about the IDP examination. Some people think that the cultural tradition may destroy when they are used as a money-making attractions aimed at the tourists. Others believe it is only way to save this tradition. Discuss on the both side and give your opinion. Let's start. There is a heated debate that has been sparked all over the world. Some believe that action that has been done to get tourists can destroy traditional culture of the country. On the other hand, it is argued that this method is a key to saving the tradition too. This essay will discuss both ideas, including my perspective. BP1. First of all, as the advancement of technology is increasing day by day, it is easier to travel around the world despite the time or cultural difference. In addition, number of the people who would like to make money with tourist visitors raised there than before. Besides, the majority of people are focusing on getting money and unaware of the destroying culture. For example, thousands of ancient pagodas and historical buildings in the Bagan Myanmar are being wrecked by moneymakers in order to get tourists attractions. Some of them are replaced with modern building and theme park. In contrast, it is suggests that it is only way to save the culture from being disappeared. This is because if people are not making renovation to old building and other traditional things, they are more likely to collapse by the damage of the natural disasters. What is more, by doing this action, tourists will be more interested in our culture as well, getting more dollars. Therefore, it can be a win to win situation. To sum up, from my point of view, activity to pursue date, tourists can destroy culture, and it is not only way to save this, since there are many effective way to keep our tradition without negative effects.